Hi everyone, I just wanted to film this video as sort of a little update and a request for, I don't know, suggestions, channel stuff. I just want to talk about channel stuff. I have had my channel for just over a year now. Yay! Thank you for my almost 500 subscribers. I really appreciate you all for being here, for sticking around and supporting me. I really appreciate you. I'm very thankful for everyone who watches, and I'm always kind of mystified by people who watch my stuff regularly and comment a lot. And sometimes I get really self-conscious about my channel and I'm like, is it worth it? Like, should I be doing this? Am I good enough to be doing this? You know? Anyways, so why I am really making this is to ask you what you want to see on this channel. You know, I mean, I have a couple of ideas, I guess. I would like to live stream. That is something that's been on my mind. I was gonna wait until I had like 1,000 subscribers for that, but you know, I mean, I don't know when that's gonna happen and how far into the future that is. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there if that's something that you would want to see. And the kind of thing that I would do on a live stream is like maybe a Q&A session, or like I'm starting to make larger batches of mead and I'm starting to remake recipes that I've already made. So like right now I have a 3-gallon mulberry blueberry, and I'm kind of just wondering if that's something that you would want to watch, you know, in like live stream version, because it's something I've already covered, but you know, I might make like small tweaks to my recipes. Also more variety in the types of meads that I'm making. Obviously my channel is very fruit heavy because I love fruit. I do want to work more with like florals and spices and things like that. So far I've only made one metheglin, and that was the elderflower, the juniper elderflower mead, which was really good. I'd like to make it again. I think a little bit lighter on the spice though, because it was pretty potent, but it was really good. So I'd like to make more things like that. I just want to know what type of stuff you want to see. A viewer, Dan, had mentioned that he would want to see like the difference between a mead and a wine using all the same ingredients, basically the same recipe, except, you know, it's a mead and a wine. To kind of see the differences there. A lot of you may have noticed that I have become a little bit more technical in my mead making, been like chatting more about proper ways to apply nutrient additions and starting to stabilize and stuff like that. So for the longest time, this channel has been, and it still is, more focused on recipe creation. That's what drew me to watching mead making on YouTube to begin with, was finding recipes. Because sometimes it is really hard to find flavor combinations or how best to use a specific fruit or whatever in a mead. Should it be fermented in primary or secondary or what? I have a lot of fun creating new recipes and just having fun with it all, you know. But of course now I'm at the point where I'm wanting to remake old recipes, or things I've already made, I should say. I just want to get better at it. You know, now for me it's not so much just experimenting and kind of figuring out how to make mead along the way. You know, I'm more concerned now with like being able to remake things and be consistent with it. You know what I mean? Like I want consistency and I want high quality. You know, I want things that are going to taste really good, and I want to be successful in the things that I'm making, and I want people to want to drink them. But other than that, that's really about it. You know, I just kind of wanted to update you on where I was at mentally, what I was thinking about with this channel. You know, I mean, I feel like everyone kind of has like their thing that they do on their channel on YouTube, and so far I've like strictly been recipe creation and that's it. And I don't know if that's like 100% what people want to see, or if they want to see more of a blend of things or what. So I would love to have your recommendations. Please let me know down below what you think. Do have some social media if you're interested. I feel weird like bringing that up, I guess, but I do have an Instagram if you use Instagram. I basically just changed my personal Instagram into my YouTube one. So the name is Faewood Mead, but I post all kinds of stuff, not just mead making. And I don't really post like channel stuff on there, you know? It is more of a personal account. You'll see like pictures of Percy and Doof. my cat and my garden and things like that. I did just get a TikTok. I have no idea how to use that yet, but again, my name's Faewood Mead. I don't use Facebook. I just haven't been a fan. I have a Facebook, but it's a personal account and I'm almost never on it, so I don't really do that. And I'm thinking of getting a Patreon. I kind of want to know what your thoughts are. I'm trying to think of what sorts of perks I would have if I did it. Again, it's another thing that I was thinking of doing when I hit 1,000. I feel like I'd want to do some like unique stuff on it, you know? Like I haven't figured it out yet, but Mead giveaways, maybe some personal stuff like postcards or, you know, I mean, I don't know. Well, that's it. Just let me know. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you're interested in. Maybe you don't care at all, but that's what I want to know. I want to know if you care, if you don't care. Please just list whatever down below what you want. I would like some guidance going forward on this journey. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Thank you. Bye.